I'm so excited as we're visiting Acropolis, UNESCO World Heritage Site. The term Acropolis means high city. There are several ancient buildings of great architectural and historical significance. Thank you.
שאני אסביר להם בבלוג?
Okay, yeah, you can talk.
No,
There is someone here who would like to tell me about the Acropolis in Hebrew, and she can
it's
tell.
in English, and now I will
You can
explain
no, in
English.
Hebrew.
This is the god Dionysus, and he liked to drink
What he likes to
wine.
drink? Wine.
And when he drink wine,
When he drink wine, what he did?
he want to see a show before of him.
How do you know this?
And they dance, and
Who dance?
the actors. The actors, yeah.
Okay.
They look with the dress, white dress, and they act. And Dionysus was. Dionysus was drink, and because of this we have in Caesarea and a lot of Amphi and etc. etc.
Okay, thank you for your explanation. We will go and see. This is the remains of the theater of Dionysus, the Greek god Dionysus. Look at these remains. What a history. Lovely archaeology. Now we are climbing to see the Acropolis from here. It's up the top of the mountain.
אוקיי? ובעצם מסביב לזה נצרבה התרבות של טיפוח התיאטרון ביוון. והם היו אפילו דואגים מרוב שזה הפך להיות איזשהו מקור של תרבות מאוד גדול וחזק. אז הם אפילו היו דואגים איך להכניס את הפשוטי העם שלא היה להם כסף, את העניים, להגיע ולשמוע ולראות, והיו עושים כמו תחרויות. השחקנים היו מופיעים והם היו בוחרים, ומי שהיה משחק בצורה הכי דרמטית, הכי לפי מה שנבחר, אז היה מקבל את, כמו שאת אמרת, גביע. טרופי. אוקיי? ומקבל את זה. מפה התפתחה כל הנושא של הצגה בתיאטראות וזה, ועל זה אנחנו אומרים תודה. וקבעו פה תרבות מאוד...
The Odeon of Herodes Atticus is a restored ancient theater that hosts Greek and international performances under the Athenian sky. Okay, this is the entrance to the Acropolis. Oh, it's so beautiful, marvelous. Why? Yes, look at the roof. Marvelous entrance to the Acropolis. What?
The sun comes in. הנה הפרטאון, הנה. This is the Parthenon.
Yes. This is the Parthenon. It's a former temple that was dedicated to the Greek god Athena. It's located at the top of the Acropolis of Athens. Look at this beauty. This site is regarded as the most important surviving building of ancient Greece. Wow, so impressive. So impressive construction. Amazing. So many tourists here. I'm really enjoying my tour of this place. Marvelous. I love this kind of trips where I can explore the historical sites and archaeological sites. I'm short of words, actually, to describe this beautiful place. What an experience. What an travel experience. I'm so happy and grateful to come here and see this place. I always wanted to visit Greece, Athens particularly, but I was always delaying it, and finally I made it, and I'm exploring it today. So happy to explore it. And I see also tourism is back. So many people here. So many people. It's okay. You have enough place to walk here.
I've been out looking at places for some love, but everywhere I look, it points me back to you. Don't you say we got too crazy? A little mischief makes fun. You told me I was your favorite book. Was it true? Those good old days are worth looking back. There's one thing on my mind. In those times you call me baby, in those hours you said you loved me. Was it all fake love? 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 I remember those eyes, they spark like the stars. They look into them and they spell out a different girl. Baby, tell me, was it all real? Or tell me, in those times you call me baby, in those hours you said you loved me. Was it all fake love? Was it all fake love? Was it all fake love? Was it all fake love?
Ό,τι και να λένε οι άλλοι, εγώ θα σ' αγαπώ. Παραδόθηκα μωρό μου, σε έχω πάντα φύλακτο μου. Ό,τι και να λένε οι άλλοι, εγώ θα σ' αγαπώ. Μαζί σου όλα τα μπορώ. Είχα τον
To sum up an amazing day, we are heading to have dinner at a famous tavern in Plaka. Plaka is a neighborhood in Athens and is very close to Acropolis. What I like the most in Athens, that the day in Athens begins at night, when locals and tourists alike go out to have dinner at the local taverns. Here you can really experience culture of the place and mix up with locals and enjoy the traditional Greek dinner and live Greek music.
לא, זה שיא! אני לא ציפיתי שהיא תהיה כזאת.
מאיה, כבר יש לך קילומטרז של חוויות.